everyone. Okay, sorry for being late while recording the video. Grade 5, okay, how are you doing? Today we need to focus on the negative prefixes. The negative prefixes that include I am. Sorry for the voice that comes from somewhere around. I need you to focus the I am prefix. We have the IL prefix, IR, and IN prefix. Now, the IN prefix is usually followed, it's followed by letters that usually start with either M or, in actual sense, all of them mean that. If we come to prefixes, those prefixes, all of them mean the opposite, or no, or not. For example, if I have the word called invisible, it means not visible, okay, which means not seen. Okay, it's not visible, not seen, okay, not visible or not seen. So this simply means that we are trying here to tell that the negative prefix of this word is just simply the opposite. Visible means something that can be seen, while invisible means something that cannot be seen. Let's go back and understand it. We said that the prefix, those prefix we have means not. Now pay attention to this rule. Now usually the IM prefix works or always begin with the letter M or P. Words that have M or P. For example, let's take this one, immobile or immobile. See, this word is already having M, or starts with M, and I'm using my mouse, so writing is not easy. Okay, sorry, immobile. Okay, I'm gonna erase this one. The quality is not good, yeah, I know. Mobile. Just pay attention to this one, yeah. Immobile. See, so we used one strategy to identify that if a word begins with M or P, just pay attention to this one. If it begins with M or P, like this one, see, it's usually, the prefix IM comes before words that start with I or with M exactly, or with P, although they have to start with P, like this one, imperfect. You see imperfect? Let's take this example and write it here. So on the test or the quiz that you will have tomorrow, you need to understand that words that start with P, imperfect, sorry, this way, or M, it's quite tiresome, okay? They usually start their prefix with IM, while IR, okay, or IR include words that usually start with R. So the other word should be starting with IR, like irresistible, irregular, irresponsible. So all those words can be listed here because they start, for example, here, irregular. I cannot put irregular, but it has to be irregular. Let's change the color somehow that suits this one, irregular. I hope you can see it. You don't believe how hard it is to write with a mouse. Sorry, okay, this is irregular. And the next one that I have to talk about usually is the IL. Sorry for the lack of organization. I have IL. Okay, IL. IL is another prefix. It means also note. And it's usually, starts or always begins with words that is usually I mean, they start with L, like illiterate, for example. Here, see, illiterate. And as you can see, let's check where is illogical. The original or the base word is having, it's having, it starts with L, as you can see, illogical. Check out this one, illogical. Okay, so see, this is already having L over here. The base word is, or the original word is logical, so illogical. Okay, now the final one, which is in locks. In has almost no rule. It can come before any word. You can see invisible over here, so this is a bit hard. You need to memorize it. In fact, informal, inactive, can come before VF, as you can see, consonant anywhere, or a vowel, indefinite, while this one is illegal actually, inappropriate here, as you can see. So it can be, it's like more mobile than, it has no rule like this one. This one, as you can see, IM comes before any word that starts with M or P, while IR comes before any word that starts with R, or IL, prefix IL starts with or comes with any word that starts with L. So this is the big difference in between them. Answers will be sent, actually the answer key will be sent. Just try your best. For example, if you learn to read, you are not illiterate. You are not illiterate. Let's write illiterate here. Sorry if my handwriting is not okay. Okay. And so on. Okay, I'll send you the answers. Just try your best to understand it. Now, during the quiz, you will not have, you'll not have questions like, if you have good manners, you will rarely be impolite. Okay, you'll rarely be impolite. And so on. I'll send you the answers. Just try your best. If you earn a living, you can be independent. If you have a can-do attitude, little is impossible. Where is impossible? Do we have impossible here? Impossible, do we have? Yeah, this is impossible over here. Yeah, if you are trustworthy, you are never like this, Okay, the rest will be sent, and please check it, save it, please. And don't forget to send me your answers, or any question. If you have any question, please message me back. Thanks a lot. Thanks for being patient. Wish you all the best. This is Mr. Saeed. Hope you will be able to